welcome back to another video. And today, I'm gonna tell you why, if you've been to Meadowthorpe, I'm gonna tell you why I haven't been there in 1 second. Hold on, I gotta get some. Alright, so I got new glasses, and they're better than my other ones, my broken ones. And you can see, like, if you can see, it's like the sides, and it's dark blue and light blue, and it has stripes. If you can see, it has stripes. So, this is why I haven't been at school, because I'm in my new house right now, and I have to get this smudge. Oh shoot. Well, I'm waiting to get this smudge off. Hold on. These glasses are really easy to clean. And they feel better. They feel better than my other ones. Well, they are tighter. They're tighter. If you get a smudge on them, I don't know why, but they're more easier. They're more easier to get the smudge off than my other ones, because they're really hard to get the smudges off. And yeah, so I moved to a new school, and I moved to a new school. I moved from Meadowthorpe. I got my new house. It's really big. I have a giant bed. If you could see it. Sorry, my room is a mess. Right there. And then, yeah. So, that's why I haven't been at school, because I kept on having to drive all 15 minutes away from my house just to go to Meadowthorpe, and now my new school's 2 minutes away from my house. So, and as soon as I get off my bus stop, as soon as I get out of my street, on my road, on my school road, I'm straight there. I'm already there. It's 2 seconds. And I know this is my dog. So if you knew about my Instagram and Snapchat, my dog died. So I'm not gonna get into too many details, but she had a seizure, and yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, subscribe so you can stay tuned, and bye.